We are Hannes and Nastja. We are from Germany, and this is our little home on wheels. We call it Camps. And yeah, it's a Fiat Ducato. It's the smallest version, like L1H1 we say in Germany. I'm not sure if it's in the USA or in the UK as well, but yeah, it's the smallest version. It's from 2009, and yeah, I think we're gonna show you around.
Yes. And this is our kitchen. Yeah, I will show you a little bit how it looks from inside. This is another kitchen area. Here is our fridge. It's a really small one, but you can put a lot of stuff in it. And here is our freezer. This is our kitchen stuff. And this is our wall cabinet. I think it was the best idea to put the window on this side. So we have enough space for our cabinets. Yeah, here are all of my stuff, and here's all of Hannes' stuff.
Kind of messy. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of our living and bedroom. So this is it. So this is also the area we are also working from. So, and this one, the lagoon table, was one of the best decisions in this build-up. So we can turn it around just like we want. Put it over there, enjoying the view, enjoying the coffee, enjoying the wine, or just work a little bit. So it's perfect, and it's also really good to build up our bed. I will show you. We chose the Fiat Ducato instead of like Ford Transit and Sprinter because of its wide. It's like 180 or even more wide. So small or normal people can sleep without any problems and don't have any problems with the leg space. And for us, like it's a small camper van, it was important to use the space as useful as possible. And for this reason we wanted the Fiat Ducato to build the bed in like this and not in the length. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
And now I'm gonna show you our storage. Everything under the bed is our storage. We have a lot of stuff there. You can see it, food and other stuff. And here's also our electronic, and Hannes is gonna show you everything.
So it's also quite a mess, but you can see we have a lot of storage. There's some yoga mattress and everything. We use a 250 ampere hour battery, AGM, and yeah, we have 200 watt solar panels on the roof. So we are really good in standing autark, so we can stand like, if the sun is shining, we have no problems at all. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our little room tour here. And if you want to travel with us, just have a look on our Instagram account. They are over here. And yeah, we are traveling with our little home on wheels through Europe and through the world. So just check it out and see you somewhere on the road.